Good morning, everyone. Oh my god, we have a big ass reaction to get through today, and I am very here for it. We have a Showbreak episode, which is with what seems to be, based off the teasers that I've seen, G22, Maki, Alamat, those three groups. I don't know if that's right. There could be other people as well, but I'm sure we'll find out. Hopefully they'll tell us. And yeah, I'm really excited. If you guys have not watched my most recent vlog, I uploaded my Auckland vlog yesterday. Go and check that out. I am also giving away an SB19 gift box, so I'll be drawing the winner for the Sydney vlog today. You still have a couple of hours to get in, write your name. Don't write your name, write SB19 gift box in a comment under that Sydney vlog, and then go do it as well for the Auckland vlog, because I'll be announcing the winner for that next week. The Sydney and Auckland vlog concerts were probably, honestly, the most memorable concerts for me thus far, because of like all the interactions. And obviously, if you guys saw the Sydney vlog, I had a lot of interactions with all of the members, and then in the Auckland vlog, it was like mine and Ken's world. Not really, but you know what I mean. There was just a lot of interactions with Ken, which, as a Ken bias, wow, I loved it. It was so good. Anyways, go check that out and leave some love on that. But let's get into it. Let me know your favorite part of this episode and help me out if I miss anything or don't understand something. Let's go. I believe it's Christmas in 3 days. 4 days. 3 days, actually.
Yan, grabe, excited na ako. Decorations, regalo, pagkain. Nasaan na ba yung mga officers? Late na naman, lagi na lang. Sino ba yun? Ay, nung oras na. Oh, kapaniwala naman, napakalupit mo talaga. Paliwanag mo nga yan, ano ba ang suot mo yan? Hindi talaga rin sa senta, aga niya ka pa talaga. Nasaan na ba yung mga tropa mo nakakasama? Ito na pinakamalupit.
Sapsa? Basta.
Paliwanag mo yung mga damitan mo. Ano yung damitan na yan?
Josh Callen nga pala. Unbad na nakaupo sa likod. Pero pag tinanong ni teacher, siya pa rin ay luluhod.
Ay, napakalupit talaga ni Josh Callen.
Wala ko si ma'am?
Sino ka ba?
Uy.
Sino ka?
Ha? Janitor ako dito.
Wala ko si Mami, mga suotan mo. Ano ba yan?
Look at his head.
Ha? Normal to par. Ikaw pa president namin. Ikaw
Ako president.
Sorry.
President.
Wala ba si ma'am?
Wala pa si Mami.
Hindi na isa nating classmate. Papunta na.
Siyempre, lagi naman late yan eh. Pasukin mo na nga yan.
Uy, isang school
Buti
galing to.
dumating ka. Akala ko di ka darating. Salamat naman. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yung ano mo? Get up mo. Parang hindi naman Digimon yan.
Parang Digimon.
Digimon. Sige mo. Yung isa hindi nagpakilala.
Hindi, ganyan talaga siya.
Ganyan talaga
Speechless
siya.
siya eh.
Speechless siya.
Buong taon speechless siya.
Kaya ako, nakikita niyo ba ako ng get up ko?
Mario?
Hindi!
Luigi?
Luigi.
Ako yung...
Bowser Jr.?
Hindi.
Sino?
Ako yung magaling humigop.
Siksik ka!
At siyempre, ang alaga ng lahat ng mga teacher, President Pablo.
President
Hindi ko
Pablo.
pala nasabi yung sa akin.
Hindi mo sabi? Sige, sabihin
Okay.
mo na.
Ang paborito ni Mrs. Cruz, Stel. So bakit nga ba tayo nakaganito today? Ano nga bang meron ngayon? Bakit ganito yung mga postura natin? Bakit katahimik? Ano? Sino makakapagsabi bakit ganito yung ano natin? Sabi ni Ma'am. Ha? Ha? Ano na? Wala umiyak, pinaiyak ko.
Dali na!
Sabi ni Ma'am, last episode daw ng Showbreak ko.
Mas na malasa.
Kaya special siya.
Special time.
So, mag-celebrate tayo ng... Ano si
Christmas party.
Pero syempre hindi...
Hindi naman pwede yun sa...
kaya pala bago sa paningin ko to.
Oo.
Ngayon lang siya present.
Bagong miyembro lang siya.
May pansit ba tayo?
Mamaya may pansit.
Ngayon ka
Mamaya.
lang pumasok, nag-request ka pa.
Pusta ko may supot dyan sa bulsa niya.
Di ba kayo binigyan ni Cherta ng seat pa?
Hindi, pero alam niyo ba, syempre Christmas party. Hindi naman pwedeng tayong 5 lang tsaka si teacher yung mag-celebrate.
Saan yung mga class?
Hindi natin, alam mo, hindi ito magiging masaya pag hindi dumating yung mga ka-classmate pa natin. At yung mga classmate natin, yan yung kasama natin sa industry. Sabi dun, no, classmate in the industry. Tama ba ako ng pagkakarelate? Wala ba sasagot ng talaga ba? In 3, 2, 1.
Talaga ba?
Kaya naman, sa tingin nyo, sino-sino bang mga kasama natin sa Christmas party natin ngayong mga ERP?
Alam mo, napakaraming malulupit na...
Ay.
Reset? Uy! May sunog! May sunog!
Baka may tunog.
Fire alarm! Hindi. Ito. Hindi. Ito na. Pasukan na eh. Start na. Ayun na. Sige na. Go.
Pili ko kaya may nag-bell kasi papasok na yung mga classmates.
Nandiyan na sila.
Itong mga classmate natin na papasok, marami sila eh. Mga 48. Ay, dami!
Kasya ba yan dito? Kasya ba?
Tsaka, alam mo, balita ko, mahilig sila sa fortune cookie. Fortune cookie!
Par. Ibang klase yan.
Siyempre, at Oshi Senpai.
Ay.
Senpai.
Oshi. Lipad na lipad.
Kilala niyo ba sila?
Oo, may idea
Actually,
na
ako
ako.
di ko matandaan mga classmate natin.
May arit ba yung mga yan?
Hindi ka pumapasok, lagi ka pa late.
Pero ito,
Skip tayo mamaya, G.
Ay, alam mo, dati ginagamit natin lagi pa sa stretching.
oo, at saka lagi ko itong nakikita sa corridors. Ang gaganda ng mga uniforms na ito pag pumapasok. Kaya naman, Josh, gusto mo ba sila ipakilala?
Nandito na ang
Oh.
MNL 48. Napakarami yan mga kosa.
Uy! Uy! Grabe naman yung mga classmates natin. Uy!
May dala sila!
Oh.
Who are they?
Grabe! May dala sila!
Ano yan? Ano yung dala nila?
Ay, nako, pwede ito sa akin.
Ito chicken?
Everyone, palakpakan naman natin, MNL 48!
Is that actually their name? Wait, I'll see what they name the other people to see if that's their actual name.
Siyempre, hindi pwedeng hindi sila magpapakilala. Let's go!
Mabuhay! Kami po ang MNL48!
Oh, it's actually them. And
Ito yung sinasabi kong nakikita ko sa corridor.
Asan yung
na ang gaganda
45?
ng mga uniforms.
Asan yung 45?
Ha?
Asan yung 45?
Hindi kasi kasya dito.
Di ba?
Kaya sila muna tatlo.
Ano po ba ang outfit niyo today?
Ano po? Siyempre may Christmas party tayo, so kailangan Christmas party. Oh. Kami po isang ketchup mayonnaise.
So ano siya? Hotdog? So ayan, palakpakan naman natin MNL48. Present na present sila sa ating Christmas party. At bukod sa napakagandang suot nila today, for sure magandang energy rin yung ibibigay nila sa Christmas party natin ngayong araw. Kaya naman, kung ready na kayo today, pwedeng maupo muna kayo. Upo muna, okay? Kahit saan. Go. Thank you.
Huwag yun ako yung pinakalikod, ah.
Oh, next classmate. Introduce mo naman yung next classmate natin.
Kalmahan nyo lang. Ito naman. Etong next classmates natin, mga sa... balita ko marami daw dito ng nabighani. Na full.
Na full?
Oo, sa school natin, par. At tinatawag nilang Hanis. Hanis. Oh, favorite mo yun?
Oo, yung peanut butter.
Diba? Pero kahit ganon, alam ko mga torpe daw sila eh.
Ay, torpe.
Torpe.
Kaya naman, tawagin na natin ang... Aja! Sumama!
Ibang klase.
Oh, ano itong dala nyo?
I love Turon. No, I love
Lumpia.
Lumpia.
Ano to?
May papinis pa yan, ah.
Ibang klase ka,
Ibang
Oma.
klase, ibang klase
Will G
ka.
ka, pare ko.
Saan inspired yung mga damitan nyo ngayon? Saan inspired yan?
Pilipinas.
Makabayan, siyempre. Makabayan. Dito sa eskwelahan natin, makabayan tayo.
Pero hindi kami papayag na hindi kayo magpapakilala kasi balita ko sa kabilang section. Kilabot daw yung intro niya eh. Kilabot daw yung ano niya. Nilalook forward yun to. Oh, game, ready na ba? Ready na? Oh, game.
Teka, di na.
Sige.
Di ba mamaya na lang kayo magpapakita?
Mamaya na lang. Sige. Pero everyone, palakpakan natin. Aja.
Aja.
Okay. Ito daw ang susunod na classmate natin. Ano daw to? Dreamers daw.
Dreamers?
Hindi kami naniniwala eh.
Minalaginip
Hindi ka
sila
namin
ng gising.
naririnig.
What happened to the
Hindi kami
introduction?
naririnig.
The
Ano
Aja
ba?
introduction.
Lagyan mo ng pulbo yung pamyo mo.
Ano bang sinasabi mo? Sa?
Yan.
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 Baby powder?
Hindi.
Wait,
Sige na, ipakilala mo na.
Ayan.
was Ken putting baby powder on his face before? That's so bad. That's so trying.
Para pumasok dito. Yan. Susunod daw na... Susunod daw na classmate natin.
Hindi makarinig, sis.
Lahat na sila. Sobrang lakas daw nilang mangarap.
The side fringe though.
Mukhang...
Sila ang mga paborito ng
Ibang-
principal. Sila yung nasa picture ng school.
Sila
yung model.
Sila pala yung model ng school natin.
Sila pala yun.
Oh. Bata pa lang sila. Accelerated na sila kaya naging classmate.
Ay, malupit. Ibang klase. Overachiever. Overachiever.
Kaya naman, alamin na natin kung sino itong mga dreamers na ito.
Taas ah! Ang taas nun! Ang taas ng energy! Ramdam ko yung Christmas party!
Hindi! Yun yung character niya, yun yung character.
Oo nga, nagigets ko naman pero sige, let's go!
Yes.
Kaya naman, mga angkors, balita ko alam na alam nyo to kasi 16 years old pa lang nag-start na sila. Kaya naman, tawagin na natin. Everyone, are you ready for Horizon? Horizon, let's go!
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Wow! Ay, barbecue!
Favorite ko yan.
Barbecue!
Buti naman nagdala kayo ng pagkain.
Nalito lang ako. Di ko alam kung classmate ba natin sila or hinire sila as photographer ng...
Journalist.
Yes, oo.
For the memories.
Student council po kasi. Hindi, actually, pag may sumasayo ng Jabuakis mamaya, siya yung taga-video.
Apologize.
Oo,
Hindi,
apologize, yes.
gusto namin tanong, saan inspired yung suot niyo para sa Christmas party natin? English
Pare-paras kami ng outfit, ano? Alam mo mabubuting mga estudyante sila.
Sabi kasi, favorite kayo ng principal. Siya rin favorite ng principal. So masasabi ko ba na ang principal natin ay mahilig sa sa stripes? Sa plot?
Flanell.
Yeah.
Flanell ang aming team today. We're like grade 5. Grade 5 students.
Okay, fine. Ikaw ang grade 5.
Ano mo yung drawing namin? Grade 5.
Oo nga pala, I remember you're accelerated.
Oh, yeah.
That's why you're here.
Transferring din po pala si Marcus.
Transferring, why?
Homeschooled kasi siya.
Oh, homeschool. Yeah.
Oh! Kaya
Mabaho na ang hininga mo, boy.
may butas sa ngipin niya, di pa napapastahan. Hindi, Horizon, thank you so much for coming to our Christmas party.
Nag-candy tuloy.
Candy tuloy siya. Everyone, please welcome Horizon. Magpapakilala po sila.
1, 2, 3. Hello po! We are Horizon!
Horizon.
Grabe.
1, 2, 3.
In 6 sila, pre. Alam mo yun?
1, 2, 3. We are
In 6 eh.
Captain Planet.
Captain Planet.
Nakaparesto rin yung nota nila.
Grabe. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
They're so shy.
Thank you. Pili kayo kung saan gusto umupo.
So, etong next na classmate natin na to, balita ko sobrang babait daw na itong mga to. Actually, hindi ko pa sila namimit.
Mababait.
Oh, first time ko pa lang sila mamimit. Kasi syempre, special sa akin itong araw na to.
Oo nga eh. Kasi bago ka lang dito sa
Bago
eskwela.
lang ako dito, transfer ako actually.
His
Magigilid
glasses
yung
are so
mga tao.
good.
Tapos galing sila sa ibang
I definitely had a pair of glasses like Ken's back in the day.
bansa.
Actually, yeah. Ito,
The huge ones.
Kasi sobrang puso talaga.
Uso.
Talagang napaka...
Ay, mahilig ka dyan.
Yung mga to.
Mahilig ka
Kasi
dyan.
magigiliw eh talaga.
Pero kasi iba-iba sila ng pinanggalingan. Makikita mo talaga yung diversity sa mga itsura nila. Yung isa may galing sa Luzon.
Oh, yeah.
Yung isa may galing sa Mindanao.
So,
Yung isa
alamat?
galing sa saan?
Visayas.
Visayas. Kaya Luz Biminda.
Binaligtad mo nga eh, parang Luz Mindavis yung ginawa mo.
Pero alam mo naman yung tinutukoy.
Oo naman, syempre sabi sa... Alam mo, baka makakita nila.
Wait.
Check ka nila eh.
Kaya ka eh.
Luz V. Minda. Is this G22 then? Wait, what was G22's songs that I literally listened to yesterday?
Sino makikita?
Pero yung isa doon, kababayan mo eh.
Sino kaya ito tinutukoy natin, Ken?
Tinatawag ko na itong mga to kasi alamat daw to eh. Talaga.
Oh, it's
Ay,
Alamat.
Alamat.
Yeah.
Alamat.
Tatmala!
Oh no, that was the song I did yesterday. Alamat. I did G22 and Alamat yesterday on Patreon, so I'm getting confused.
Mga tatmala!
Oo. Pasok na po.
Work hard! Work hard! Let's go!
Oy!
Let's go!
Oy!
Ah, varsity nga to, mga varsity.
Oy, nga ba?
Oh, okay.
Dancer! Ibang klase. Dancer to.
Dancer to.
Eh, mga kabilang section talaga, oh.
Pakilala mo na.
Oh, magpapakilala sila.
Pakilala.
Tamala. Alamat, darap. Siya, dito na yun. Ako si Mo. Ako yung RG at Yamiyam. Alamat.
Mga plus points yun, nandito doon sila, may hotdog na hawak. Kala ko member dito ng Alamat eh. Shock ni hotdog.
Gusto mo naman yung
Ang liit ng hotdog mo, pre, ah.
Tingin ko mamaya niyan ha.
Uy, thank you Thank you sa pagpasok dito sa classroom natin. Kasi balita namin, dami itong mga mga extra projects sa school natin. Pero at the end of school year, napasa nyo lahat. Kaya naka-attend kayo ng Christmas party.
Real G talaga ito, eh. Ito yung mga nakikita ko may nagbibilang na lang.
Ay, teka. Ay,
Exchange student siya.
Skip tayo.
ano daw inspiration nyo sa outfit nyo today?
Ako, personally.
Alala, trip ko lang.
Tama.
Yan ang pinakamalaki dito ang puso niya.
Ako naman, jersey to ng barangay namin.
Eh, barangay represent. Saan yung barangay nyo?
Present.
Barangay ng Bunga Castilleos.
Yes!
Barangay mo. May kosa ang opeg ko ngayon.
May kosa.
May kosa. So, ikaw, talagang sa bahay, ikaw yung mahilig gumalaw.
May kusa.
Kasi may kosa. May kosa. Teka.
Oh, si Taneo.
Para boys at the back.
Boys and
It's giving boys at the back.
Uy, di ba yung mga boys at the back yun yung mga maingay lang?
Hindi ah. Ginigyan ko naman kami.
Okay, thank you so much, Alamat. Thank you. Pwede muna kayong umupo.
Matcha lang sa inyo.
Makipag-chismisa muna kayo sa mga classmate natin. Catch up. Yan, let's go.
Ay, so rin niya.
Okay,
Sa akin din.
eto na. Mag-ready na ang lahat kasi itong next na set ng classmates natin. Lagi silang tinatawag na mga Mima.
Mothers.
Kung hindi man sila tinatawag na Mima,
Mami.
hindi,
Mami.
Dida.
Dada.
Alam niyo ba kung bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi, ha? Hindi kasi,
Pwede may racket?
hindi ka ba natakot sa pulbo ko? Pag pinasa ko sa'yo ito, puputay na yung pisingin mo. Hindi kasi itong mga itong Mima natin, mga female alphas. Alam niyo ibig sabihin nun?
Grabe yun.
Babaeng...
Female.
Mga female.
Alpha.
Alphas.
Oo. Get yun na yun. Kasi, kung gaano katapang yung aura nila, ganon din
True.
sila katapang. Kaya hindi nyo hindi nyo maaaway ito. Walang katapat ng mga to.
True.
Kasi kahit ibuli nyo sila, alam nyo sasabihin
That's
na to.
it. That's the song.
Lakong pake! Lakon! Kaya nyo kung sino tong mga to? Kilala nyo ba? Lakong pake. Then please welcome G22! Grabe yung aura na yun aura farming tawag dun eh. Pero baka gusto niya magpakilala sa mga other classmates natin dun sa kabilang section.
Ito pala, real G ko to.
Saan inspired yung dala nyo?
Tinanong mo kami sa...
Saan inspired yung suot nyo? Kasi parang iba-iba eh. Iba-iba yung suot nyo eh. Pwede nyo ba explain saan nyo nakakuha yan? Anong idea nyo dyan?
Simula tayo sa'yo, Brad. Go, te!
Oo, nag-isip lang ah.
Hinuli ka ba ng
Pinag-isipan ko to. I'm a fan of the the Lakers yung...
Oh,
Yay!
the real English.
Brian! Let's go!
This is one of the real G's, huh?
Effortless.
Yes! Ano ba yun? Next, AJ.
Sa akin, drip ko ano eh.
Drip?
Parehas kaya ng mga formahan niya.
Drip?
Parehas kaya ng mga formahan niya, no?
But thank you.
Ano, dapat ipakita natin yung breath. Dati kasi yung breath eh. Ito yung
Chains.
yeah.
Yeah!
Yung stunner from Etiba.
Yeah!
Let's go.
Ito excited ako sa next eh. Excited ako sa next. Gusto ko malaman talaga kung paano niya kinuha yung yung idea na to eh. Pwede ba natin marinig si Andrea?
May idol kasi ako.
Ayun.
Kasi mapapansin ako kay Crush. May doctor yung tumiba dito.
Ha?
Meron bang doctor yung tumiba?
Meron ba kayo dyan? Sige mo na lang yung story mo. Kasi meron ka.
Ayun na, oh.
Ella! Hey! The best.
RMG.
The best.
Play mo naman. Sige.
Thank you girls, thank you.
Pwede na
namin bitbitin to para wala na kayong dala sa
Tanggalin nyo. Pwede na.
Init pa ah. Parang naliliman to ng sobra-sobra ah.
Freshly picked tomatoes.
Oy! From the mountains of?
Italy.
Yeah! Okay, pwede na kaya mo po kasi parang andal-dal na natin.
Itong next classmate na tatawagin natin. Balita ko, napakakulay ng buhay niya.
Ay,
Maki.
Sabi dito, colorful and emotional. Kaya meron siyang color coaster.
parang sa,
Tawagin mo na yung best friend mo.
parang sa sinema kong gulay yan.
Justin.
Yung pinsan ko kasi to.
Pinsan mo ba?
Pinsan mo? Paano mo nasabi pinsan mo?
Pinsan mo saan?
Bangs eh.
Pares kayo nang?
Pinsan mo saan?
Okay, kaya ba?
Bet, naiiyak ka siya kaya siya namumula. Tinawa namumula siya.
Namumula ka ba?
Namumula.
Relasyon yan.
Bula!
Kasi tawagin na natin ang pasimuno ng namumula.
Oo nga.
Tawagin natin si
Maki! The one and only Maki! Maki, let's go! Ayun oh! Hey! Let's go! Dito! Hey! Ay, may dala siyang kwek-kwek! Hey!
Cute.
Ay!
Naalala mo ba kung sino?
Oh my God!
5, 6, 7, burning a fire.
Hey.
Yung silip. Ano ba? Ay, yung pose pa rin yung...
Ibang klase.
Wala. Hindi, Maki, dito ka muna. Ayan. Guys, palamunan natin. Maki! Maki, pwede ka naman pakilala sa mga classmate natin sa kabilang section.
Hello mga classmates, ako nga pala si Maki, from Batasan.
This is so funny. This is so awkward.
Dito lang.
Okay, thank you so much. Kaya ngayon, masasabi namin na kompleto na ang... kumbaga sa mga dala ng pagkain, kompleto sa Ricardo's na tayo para sa Christmas party. Kaya naman, bago tayo tumungo sa sasabihin ni teacher, syempre, hindi kami papayag na wala tayong... Anong tawag doon? Wala tayong intermission number, syempre! Di ba? Di ba pag Christmas party may intermission number, di ba? Syempre, dapat lahat tayo magpo-perform. Kaya naman, everyone, abangan niyo ang performances
yes.
namin. In 3, 2, 1!
This is so funny already. I love it because they're all kind of a bit awkward.
Meron.
Hi.
Sabi ko na eh.
Bilang napiling sikretong agent sa sikretong video ngayon, episode,
Ikaw at iba pang guest artist ang
na atas ang gagawa ng sikretong mission.
Ang iyong mabubunot na mission ay kailangan mong
pa yan bago matapos ang episode.
Hindi dapat malaman ng SB19 na
Wow.
isa kang sikretong
It's a lot of
agent.
secret agents.
Kapag nagtagumpay kayo sa inyong mission,
Makakatanggap ang lahat ng special gift.
So they all have secret missions.
Shocking.
Makahampas ng 3 tao.
Oh.
Ay, galing ako dyan. Habang
So she's already slapped
halak.
Althea.
Magaling ako dyan.
Mag-thirst trap ka sa harap ng camera at sa isa sa mga kasama mong artist na hindi nakaka-cringe. Yari, di pa naman ako nagta-thirst trap challenge.
oh my gosh, gumawa ng cute pose with any guest aside from your own crew.
Group.
Bumanat ka ng isang matinding corny joke. Kailangan tumawa ang karamihan. Madami na ako.
Thirst trap.
Okay lang, challenge accepted. Sabihin ko ba, magpa-cute ng 5 beses sa harap ng ibang kapwa mo artists. Kayang-kaya.
He already did it in
Cute
his
naman
intro.
Guys, napapansin niyo ba?
Ang alin.
Nawala yung tables. Ang dami nang nananakot. Hindi, alam niyo ba bakit nawala yung mga tables? Kasi it's time para mag-perform na. Ito na ang hinihintay ng bawat lahat. Uy, Josh, may letter for you, oh. Kunin mo
Letter
nga.
for me?
We just got
Sabi ni Cherta.
Ha?
Cherta.
Ah, teacher.
Teacher.
Anong cherta? So, toucher?
Oo nga no.
Cherty kasi.
Tama ka
Tortilla.
doon. My badgie.
Toucher!
Happy holidays, my wonderful students. Patapos na ang taon, kaya panahon na para sa inyong well-deserved break. Andito kayo ngayon para sa isang year-end party. Deserve mag-celebrate at magsaya matapos ang lahat ng inyong mga paghihirap at wins this year. Kasama ang inyong mga classmates sa industriya. Tagalog na tagal, makatang-makata to ah. Kayo ay mag-enjoy, mag-relax, at ilabas nyo ang inyong tinatagong talento.
Oh my God, akala ko. Teacher naman, akala ko kung anong
There you go,
ilalabas.
Chance just
Pati ang
slapped
mga tinatago.
someone else.
Baho. Hindi. At dahil dyan, kayo ay magpapa-unlock ng intermission numbers! Ano ba to? Ito na isa-isa na?
Oo. At may sinabi si teacher, guys. Ano? Uumpisahan natin! Ang alin? Ang intermission number. Pangungunahan ni ang aking babanggitin ay ang 5th runner. Hindi, sabi ni teacher. Ha? Guys,
O, sige, so, kamay ka, kamay, hawak.
ang unang magper-perform para sa year-end party na to ay si... Drum roll, please. Aja! At susundan naman ni... Drum roll, please. Mamaya na. Oh, sisimulan muna na. Aja! Let's go, Aja. Aja, let's go, let's go.
Hindi kami nakapagpakilala kanina.
Oo.
Hindi kami nakapagpakilala, magpapakilala kami ngayon.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go! Hey! Ito na yung talent namin kayo. Ito yung talent kami, 1, 2, 3, go! Pasensya na, tropa. Ako yung nalit.
Si Jok aking kidi.
Huwag ka mag-alala. Pag kami kasama mo, safe na safe.
Meron pa isa, meron pa daw, meron pa. Let's go, let's go.
back. He's so.
Palakpakan naman natin everyone. Aja, Aja, Aja. Grabe. Okay, dahil natunghayan na natin ng pinerform ng Aja. Sino kaya ang susunod? Let's hold our hands, guys. Ba't pa kayo kinakabahan tapos na kayo? Next to perform on stage, please welcome. Drum roll, please. Horizon! Hey, 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 hey. Akin na yan, boy!
Anong pipiliin mo? Dota o ako? Si Dota. Okay, play the music.
Let's go!
Oh, are they performing their own songs? Was that Aja's song before, like the dance to their song?
Okay. Gusto niyo ba ng sagot ko anong pipiliin namin? Dota o kayo?
Sino po?
Siyempre kayo.
Okay na.
Okay na, okay na. Okay, eto na. Siyempre, natapos na yung dalawa. Kailangan, kasi parehas boys yung nag-perform, di ba? Kailangan natin cute girls naman next.
Cute girls. Cute girls.
Kaya naman, tinatawag namin sa entablado para mag-perform. Please welcome, Emmanuel Fourier! Oh my God, let's go! Let's do this!
Hello, kami ang Pabebe Girls.
Wala kayong pakialam kung pabebe kami sa videos namin. Wala kayong pakialam, nanonood lang kayo. Music, cue!
Wow! Thank you, thank you. Dahil sa performance nyo, madadagdagan yung budget natin for prom next year. Thank you, thank you. Siyempre ito yung nakadikit sa pangalan nila, gano'n sila kalupit. Kaya naman, nakadikit talaga, nakaglugan. Kaya naman dahil isa silang alamat, tatawagin na natin sila para painitin ng school. Please welcome, Alamat. Uy! Sobrang dikit naman namin.
May love ako sa'yo, wala ko makakibig mo ay tunay!
Tunay! Lagi namimintas!
Pero sarilong pera ang iyong
Winawaldas! Para sa inyo yun!
Yo guys, kami nga palang alamat itong sayaw na to para kay Tito Rose. Yes, go Tita Rose!
Let's go, Tita Rose!
Who is Tita Rose?
Hey! 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 Let's go! Let's go! Tita Rose!
Tita Rose.
Hey! Hey!
I like that guy in the middle.
Let's go!
I liked him in the last MV I watched of him. Of Alamat. Does Mo have like a cut or something here because he was wearing that same band-aid in Wish Bus? Who is Tita Rose?
Grabe, sobrang init dahil sa
I wanna be
performance
Tita
yung
Rose.
extended ang summer classes.
Because you're fiery performance.
Sobrang init, extended ang summer. Hindi, summer classes. Sobrang init. Ayan, galing tayo sa napaka-init. Ngayon naman, dadako tayo sa magdadagdag
I hope SB19 perform as well.
Burn. Everyone, make way for G22. Make way. Doon ang laro. Ito sa mas matindi pa sa Hey! Hey! Hey, let's go! Grabe. Kaya pala nawala sa timing kasi nawala yung ano. Understand that? Oh, iling yan. Iling.
I'm listening to lahat ng Veggie Planet.
Tumawag yung principal dahil sa nangyari sa'yo madadagdag tayo ng speaker sa campus. Para hindi na para walang maliligaw pag nakikinig ng music natin. Okay. Ito naman syempre, last but not the least. Wow. Ang magbibigay ng kulay sa Christmas party.
I want them to perform something too though.
Yeah! Everyone, please make some noise for the one and only Maki. Ano yun?
Hindi kasi ako singer eh. Rapper talaga.
What a revelation! Oh my God.
What a revelation. We can't even hear him, but I'm sure it's great.
Meron pa.
Dancer din ako. Parang yung ano lang, OPM, P-pop din ako. Lahat na, Music Q.
Music cue.
Dancer nga to. Dancer nga.
Spider-Man is good.
Let's go, B-boy. Hey! Hey!
Tapos,
Everyone,
so funny.
palakpakan natin ang mga sarili natin. Grabe.
No, I want to see SB19.
Grabe, salamat. Maraming salamat sa pagbibigay ng
I want their
magandang
intermission
intermission
number.
namin. Masasabi namin na ready na tayo para sa Christmas party natin. Tama ba? Tama! Ready na ba kayo para sa next na gagawin natin? Sumigaw nga ng Ayan tayo eh.
Yes, thank you.
Let's go!
Get in there, Ken.
Okay na yan. Hey! May panibago! Uy, kunin mo naman dun. Ano ang pangalan mo? Jasper?
Jasper.
Ano pangalan niya?
Jasper.
Hindi nakita sa camera. Yeah! Basahin mo na. Ano ang pangalan niya? Jasper?
Jasper.
Aldrin? Andre?
Andre.
Andre.
Sabi ni teacher,
Maraming salamat, students, sa pagpapakitang gilas at pagpapamala sa inyong mga talento.
Thank you, ma'am. Kung nasan ka man.
Marahil, mga gutom na kayo. Pero bago kayo magsalo-salo ng inyong mga dalang potluck, kayo muna ay maglalaro. At sa bawat laro, kailangan yung manalo upang makapili at maunang makakuha ng pagkain. Ang matatalong grupo ang huling makakapili.
Oh.
Okay, simulan natin ang pagbibilang. Okay, Aja Ash.
Aja Ash.
2, 3, 4.
Mami, 1, 2, 3. Mami, tanggalin mo kaya to para marinig mo. Mami. Mami.
Pili ko, magbibilang ito.
Mami, yung sa akin yung nasa leeg, oh, para marinig ko. Yan. Kanina yung song di mo narinig. Pero yung 1, 2, 3, Mami. Okay, game? At ulit, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Mamaya may 5, ha? Okay, from Aja Ash ulit.
1, 2,
1, 2.
3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
1, 2.
2.
Okay.
Kulang kami.
So magsama-sama ang 1, 2, 3, and 3, 2, 1.
1, 3. Thank you. Sabi ni teacher,
Wow.
for the first game, maglalaro tayo ng trip to Jersey.
My God, this is dangerous. That kick's still out.
Sino?
Practice round. This is so chaotic, I'm loving it. It's not everyone playing in these rounds because I haven't seen Ken from the start. Or there's Justin. I was going to say Ken or Justin, but there's Justin. But not Ken. Pablo grabbing onto AJ.
Nice one.
Nice one.
Papawisan ako dito.
I like the song.
Kilala ko na sino panalo.
Sige na, matamatik ka na. 5, 6, 7, go. Topic!
Felt like running around the outside of everyone. Of course he was going to miss out. What were you thinking, silly duffer?
Okay, no, gana.
Wow! That was aggressive. Oh no!
Ang liksik! Oh my God, guys! Cheap!
I was like, why are you on the outside? What's his game plan? He's sitting on his lap. Mulligan. Go Mo.
Gusto ko ng bato-bato pick.
Lucky is so cute. Pablo! Jazz.
Hindi, may iba panalo. May iba panalo daw. Oh, may iba panalo.
May bawin. May bawin. 5, 6, 7, may bawin.
That was good. No, true. I like this song too. Ja's still in. It's only Ja from SP, right? Oi! Yes, Ja! That was good.
Ay, siya na naman!
Oi! Oh my gosh. 2 chairs. Oh, Jazz, that was good. Ken, what? Where was he gone that whole time? And now look at him with his freaking jumper.
Para sa
Okay.
Nasusunod naman ang group number 2 at panghuli ang group number 1. 1 is just a number. It can be replaced by 0. Okay, kaya naman group 3, pumili na kayo. Classmates, may letter na ulit, classmates.
Meron na
Wow!
Very competitive na this year namin.
Strategizing.
Sa ating third game, hindi sasali ang group 3.
Why?
Then may silang pinapasabi si teacher. Congratulations sa group 3 for
Oh, that was it. I thought that was serious.
Okay, for the second game, ang lalaroin naman natin ay stop dance. Is everyone ready? For the second game, we're going to play stop dance. Let's go.
Is this maybe what they did for that first game as well? Is there, if someone has to not play, maybe?
Alis na ako. Alis na ako.
Sabi niyo konti alis eh.
Dalawa tayo, tara na.
Kasama pa rin, hindi ko malalaman kasi. Wala ka. Konti, alis. Hindi na, natanggal.
Legacy. Oh, he's not playing again. Cute. Hold on. Jazz sucks.
Hala, may punit! Todo nyo na yan? Yan na yung todo nyo? Oh my God,
Pablo. Is that really your all? No.
Hindi umihinga.
They didn't even show us them carrying them. I wanted to see it. Sorry.
Try natin isa pa. Hindi, okay lang, okay lang. Share daw muna sa'yo.
Pwede ako ito.
My God! Ang challenging na to, bullshit.
Ba't nag-one more chance?
Jazz.
Isang bawal lang siya. Apakan niyo yung pa ako? Kasi ito apakan. Sa mga gilid kami, sa gilid.
Ayun!
Pasok.
Yakapin niyo ako, yakapin niyo ako.
Still shoes are too big. The grab. It's true though.
Let's listen sa mga tao sa likod. Tao sa likod, anong sabi? Kenta niyo, anong husga?
Sabay-sabay kasi sila bumagsak.
Baka meron tayo minigame para makuwasan yung iba tapos may iba, alis! Okay, may iba, alis! Ay!
did it. I think. Ken just walking around clapping.
Para na kami, no?
Bias.
Wala, pinakabalik mo yun.
Kami pinaka...
Pinakalabas namin ng paa?
Hoy, hindi mo kasi tininan yung likod.
Tinitignan ko maigi.
Kita mo yung likod dito.
Anong team ka?
Guys, baka sa atin pa ba sila yung pag-ibig?
Na. Gets ko. Walang bumaba, pero may nakalabas na paa. Dumaan ako eh. You stupid!
Did he say you stupid?
Linda.
Tagalan mo pa! Tuloy na matagal! Oh, video niyo, dali!
Okay na? Hoy, bumaba na si ano, ayun o, ayun o. Bumaba na yun o.
Wow. Yeah, they were good. Solid bases. What filter do they have going on? Because watch when Mackie moves his arm, it all goes like warped.
Yes!
Very.
Guys.
What garlic chicken. Rice.
May letter. Nawala na yung character.
Siyempre kukuha yung panalos ha. Yung ano yun? On-a-lap ba yun?
Bisan mo.
Oh, ikaw magbasa.
Sabi ni teacher, for the third game, maglalaro tayo ng kalamansi.
Okay, the walk. Alphaea's walk, such a boss lady. Love it. Wow, they've done well, this group. Pablo.
Ganyan lang. Ano ka? Ililipat ko na to.
With all of their clothes. Oh, Josh. Oh, I thought that was Josh. I thought he was taking off his shirt. I was like, whoa. Calm down. Oh my god, Josh.
You guys have to watch.
His pants are so big.
Okay lang guys, isi-share naman namin yung food sa inyo. Hindi! Group number 3.
Wow.
Siyempre gusto namin i-congratulate ang lahat sa pagpapamalas ng kanilang angking galing, lakas, at group engagement.
Group engagement.
Congratulations everyone kasi kahit ganyan nangyari, lahat tayo winner tonight.
Pablo.
Hindi, wala siya sa script, promise. Happy kami na nangyari siya. Kasi matagal namin gusto talaga magkaroon ng ganito, but finally, nangyari siya. Thank you. Sana may next time pa. Sana hindi kayo na-stress sa amin.
Kami po, sobrang happy.
Yes! Thank you. Congratulations, everyone. At dahil dyan, syempre nanalo kanina ang group 2.
Yeah, they were
Pero
good.
sila pipili ng 3 ulam. Tatlong pipili nyo. Meron pa tayo! Hotdog with mallows, chop suey, sweet and sour fish fillet, pork Shanghai, and hamon dao!
Chop suey!
Senator, dalawa sa Okay, sinasabi si teacher.
Ano yun?
Yes po.
Congratulations sa inyong lahat mga students. Dahil nakumpleto nyo na ang mga pagkain kakainin nyo para sa Christmas party, kainin nyo yan ng walang tubig.
Ay, okay. No problem.
Hindi, sana nakuha nyo ang mga kinikrave nyong handang pagkain. Alam niya na gutom na tayo ngayon. Kaya naman, dahil binuhos daw natin energy natin sa mga games. Kunin nyo ang iyong mga premyo at kayo'y kumain. Pero, sabi din niya, sharing is caring.
Naglaro pa tayo.
Sharing is caring.
Sorry, guys.
Sharing is caring and hard work pays off.
That's funny. But we all knew that would happen.
Ano, dahil nakahanda na yung mga pagkain, syempre, kailangan kayo alamin saan tayo kakain.
Dito!
Sa... Tama. Dahil kanina, may dalawang teams na
He's been cracking me up this
twice
whole
nanalo,
episode.
which is
So funny, you could tell he's like shy.
3 lang naman, group 3 kami, tapos tsaka group 2. Meron tayong advantage to choose kung ano yung kakainin pa rin sila. Tama. Meron kasing plato na babasagin, tsaka yung kahoy, paper plates, tsaka banana leaf. Dahil dyan, magbabato-bato pick si group 3 tsaka si group 1 ko.
Sabay-sabay?
Kung sino unang mamimili. Ang representative ng group 3 ay si RG.
RG. I like RG.
Sino ang representative ng group 2? Vinci, okay. Bato-bato pick. Okay. Let's go.
2, 3, go. Bato, pick.
Actually, namimili ako.
Okay, sige.
Hindi mo ma-microwave yan, man. Dapat ba hindi ako kakaroon ng idea?
May character kami dito. Bigyan nyo na. Guys, take it. Anong hilitin nyo dyan?
Pwede yan. Basta hindi yung foil.
Mas ending tayo ng video.
Hindi nyo ba alam magbukas dito?
Mga independent daw tayo.
Ano na tao yun? Alam naman namin to. Okay na, hindi tayo Happy Fiesta!
Cute.
Come on and join the celebration. All around the world, we will make a change. It's time to have a Christmas party. Peace on earth.
Oh, this is such a good episode. Oh, she's so beautiful, Jazz.
Very hard to understand. So get into the groove of happiness.
What song is this?
Got no choice
I don't remember it.
but to feel like all the rest. There's a new day dawning. Something great is happening. Everybody get down, bucket little happiness. Just sing.
Oh, cute. Is it their birthday?
So natapos na po kayo mag-dinner and as you can see, napakagulo na ang lamesa which is very Filipino na pagka meron tayong ganitong klaseng setup, talagang magulo and very festive yung feeling. Is it right?
Is that right? Yes, Dad.
And feeling ko naman lahat ay nabusog sa mga pagkain and kung kanina pinag-aawayan namin yung food, good thing na nanaig ang nanaig ang kabutihan at nag-share kami ng food with everyone. Thank you. And that's right. Yun na po yun. Maraming salamat. Tatapusin ko na sana.
Si Kian Cipriano talaga, oh.
Meron po pala niya yung...
Ay, grabe naman yung nakaroon.
Depends.
Si teacher, may sinasabi na naman si teacher. Sabi ni teacher, bago daw matapos ang party, meron siyang isang naatasan sa inyong classmates para gumawa ng sikretong mission.
Oh, that's right.
So there's a special someone here, our classmates. Classmates? They have a special mission, and we don't know who is it, so I'm not sure. And kung napagtagumpayan nila, so hindi lang isa. 5! Oh, dang. So 5, hindi lang siya isa. So kung napagtagumpayan nila lahat ng mission nila, everyone will receive a special gift. Even us? Even us? Everyone? Even us? Okay. Okay, so sikretong classmates, maaari na daw kayong magpakilala, sabi ni teacher, at i-reveal ang inyong mission. Okay? Pagbilang ko ng 5, tatayo kayong 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tayo! Okay, what's your mission? Okay, with the... Alam ko yan! Amang daw?
Bumanat ako ng isang foreigner joke. Tapos kailangan tumawa ang karamihan. Anong tawag sa hayop na nandito?
Ano?
Hair.
Still so funny.
Yes! Dalawang mission na yung nagawa, dalawang mission na, napanalo. Nanalo ako.
You're next.
Oh yeah, what was his again? Oh yeah.
Dapat hindi yung group mates ko.
Anong poses? Cute.
Ah! Okay.
I've been ignoring and hitting you guys.
Kailangan pa si Jess ang mga parang niya ako, sabi ko, ganito ba sa
Hindi ko naiintindihan yung instructions na maayos. Hindi ko alam kung ilang tao. So, ginawa ko na.
Which is?
Yung special gift pinadala sa akin ni teacher. Pinadala sa akin ni teacher yung special gift bilang treasurer.
Sino ba yung mabaho?
Bilang treasurer at dahil Pasko na.
What is it? What is MPOW?
Congratulations po.
Or is MPOW just like the like money kind of a thing? MPOW? Like the oh. Yeah, the red envelope. Monetary gifts. Interesting. Wonder what's in it?
Si Ken, masasabi ko si Ken ay hindi nating classmate. Messenger siya. Oh, reader. May sinabi rin si teacher. Isang masayang taon para sa inyong lahat. Sana kayo ay nag-enjoy at natuto.
Grabe, enjoy.
Sa lessons niya, get. Pero bago natin tapusin ang araw na to, nais kong humingi ng wish sa inyo para sa kinabukasan nyo at ng buong OPM. Sana ang mga wish na ito ay sama-sama nating makamit next year at sa mga susunod pang mga taon. Isulat nyo lahat ng inyong wish sa postcards at isabit sa Christmas tree. Aww. Lakas mo ka OFW. Nung postcards, ha?
Yeah, true. They need to take off Dunka. It's confusing me. Wait, what did Maki say? Wait, what did Ken say? All the people I was with will be successful. All the people I am or I was with will be successful. Nice. A P-pop OPM showcase for artists in the Philippines. With this, people can easily discover new groups, artists, and root for the current ones. Love that, Maki. Yes. What did Jazz say? I wish for more P-pop song collabs. Yes. Yes. Wait, what did Pablo say?
Everybody get down, fuck a little happy nature.
I can't read it.
And that's it, everyone. Gusto ulit namin magpasalamat sa lahat. Nandito ngayon. Okay, energy naman dyan, oh! Energy! Kala ko kasi pumutok na yung betchin kaya naantok na tayo lahat. Pero gusto na ulit namin magpasalamat sa lahat na nandito ngayon kasi I think this is one of the most special episode ng Showbreak for this year. We're very happy na na-spend namin. Kahit yung ganitong setup na medyo Christmas and somehow na-feel namin na nasa classroom ulit. Sana na-feel nyo rin yun. Yeah. Ito talaga yung something na matagal na namin gustong gawin and i-try. Yung makasama yung different groups kasi nga lagi tayo sa event nagkakasama tapos sandaling high lang, kamustahan. Pero yung ganitong klaseng experience, yung gathering, yung bond, never siyang nangyari. So, very thankful to each and every one of you. But, ayun lang, happy kami. Pero gusto namin tanungin, kamusta yung naging
Where's Josh?
experience or any, ano lang, mga...
Oh, he's there. Where's Ja? Oh, I love that AJ's got her arm around him. Where's Ja? Oh, he's right there. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're all at the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, I couldn't see Ja because he's covering his face.
Maraming salamat, Kuya, sa pag-ibig na sa amin. And for leading this kind of content na sama-sama tayo. Yes! Sa Kaya so marami rin kami natutunan and naging talaga.
Kaya it's so fun din mga kuya kasi parang it's a break from our busy schedules na magkaband tayo and magkaroon tayo ng team building na parang
Yes,
sure.
Vinci, you wanna say something?
Leonardo?
Yes, moments like these, very rare. So thank you SB19 for creating these moments na makakapag-build tayo ng community because I know there's already a community that's already being built but this one makes it more stronger. And ikaw din, marami kang natutunan today, no?
Yeah, 100%.
As a whole
Oh my god, man. Yeah, man, real good.
Today, no?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh my god, man. Yeah, man, real good. Know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I felt like I was in the classroom the entire time. So. Thank you for the experience. Yes sir, let's go.
Mo, you wanna say something din?
Gusto ko po salamat sa inyo kasi matagal na po namin hinihiling yung mga gantong kaganapan. Yung mga gantong kaganapan.
Kuminawa yung brother ko.
Lubos kami nagpapasalamat kasi sobrang nakakataba ng puso. And yun din, gusto lang din namin mag-thank you sa inyo sa ganito kasi
Real G. That's a real G, man.
That's a real G.
sana, madami pang ganito.
Yes.
Oh, that is so fun.
Sobrang natutouch ako, like, kasi, like, imagine nyo na magkakasama tayo lahat na may isang dream lang, like, which is to rise people. And ngayon na, yung ganitong mga content, like, parang imagine ko na yung future na ano pa yung mga... Ibang klaseng pakulo ng... Ano mo yung basta ganun?
Sinigang?
Sinigang.
Of course.
Siyempre, lastly, Maki.
Ayan, ako para sa akin yung mga ganito opportunities kasi we don't really see it much ngayon sa industry natin, and now that we are trying to push everyone up, para sa akin, what better way and what better people talaga yung gagawa ng kundi SB19. So, I'm just really, really glad that I got to spend this time with everyone. As an OPM and as a P-POP, hindi ko alam din kung saan ako doon, but you always give me a place. So thank you for inviting me also.
Oh, that's so sweet.
And yeah, alam niyo po kasi yung SB19 parang kaya naman na talaga nila, you know. Yung parang para sa amin kayo na talaga yung nilook up namin, pero you guys still give us these kind of opportunities. So it really fills our hearts. And para sa akin, ito yung mga moments na nare-realize ko na, you know what? Filipinos are very loving, and OPM and P-POP talaga has a bright future kasi ganito yung mga tao na gustong humila sa amin pataas. So, thank you so much.
Because the thing is, like, SB19 could easily be like, look how much success we have. We don't want other people to be like us. We want to be the only ones. But instead, they're literally taking these opportunities to help give other people a platform because they care more about the future of the Philippines than they do about their own personal success. And I think that is something that so many people can learn from.
100%!
100%!
Thank you everyone. Thank you sa lahat.
Kuya
ng
Josh.
sinabi niyo. And of course, thank you everyone. Thank you sa lahat ng sinabi niyo. And of course, Maki, to answer your question if you're OPM or P-pop, I guess to answer it, yes, you're everything.
You're everything.
No. I feel like it's not just for us. P-pop is not just for SB19, for the pop groups or mga grupo na nagsising and dance. I think it's for everyone who chooses to represent the Philippine pop music. Diba? Kasi we're trying to really help everyone, and syempre gusto natin na magtuloy-tuloy ito ng ginagawa natin movement. And I believe na we are getting there. We are really trying to touch the hearts of the Filipinos. Nakaka-inspire tayo at yun ang mahalaga.
Yeah. Perfect.
So true.
Group hug!
Love you guys. Ano, hug kayo.
This is so cute.
Thank you for SB19. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
It's so,
Wait lang, we have
so
something
cute.
for everyone lang na token of appreciation.
Na meron pa ulit.
Oo. Hindi natatapos. Hindi natatapos ang bigay.
What is it?
Alam mo, sana tutuwa talaga kayo dito sa December.
Exchange gift yan, exchange gift.
Next time ano naman, something big naman, mga mga OPM festival ganun.
Mayor.
Actually, tayo lang.
Oh, meron pa doon. Meron. Nasaan yung iba? Nasaan yung iba? Ba't kulang to? Kulang. Sakto na pala.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you. We really hope na nag-enjoy talaga kayo dito sa ginawa natin tonight.
Yes!
And this is not gonna be the last time that this will happen. Siyempre, nagawa tayo ng maraming
Yeah! Natutuwa ako sa sinabi ni JC kasi sabi niya natutuwa daw siya na may ganitong klase na yun. Pero, diba, even though we're from different companies, different groups, different personalities, alam ko na iisa lang yung goal natin, katulad nga ng sabi ni Josh. Hindi naman OPM P-pop, iisa lang tayo ng goal. Gusto natin umangat yung musical Filipino or kulturang Filipino. So, I hope na magkaroon pa ng maraming ganitong programs kasi, diba, I know, hindi naman tayo yung P-pop or yung OPM, hindi pa siya fully sinusuportahan kung anong movement yung pinapakita natin. Pero sana magsilbi tayong inspirasyon sa bawat isa. Kasi di ba parang if nahihirapan tayo na wala pang sumusuporta, sana tayo suportahan natin yung bawat isa kasi yun yung mahalaga. Walang movement kung walang P-pop or walang OPM movement kung wala kayong lahat. Hindi siya SB9, hindi siya Alamat, hindi siya D22. It's everyone's effort para masumangat yung ano. Diba? So, ayun, maraming salamat. Nakapunta kayo dito na bigyan nila. Yes! Pwede ba natin tapusin ito na sabihin natin ng P-pop pataas?
Pataas.
Gusto po namin batiin kayo ng Happy Holidays. Kita-kita po tayo sa susunod na show break. This has been Show Break 6! P-pop pataas!
Cute.
Let's go.
Ang galing sa timing.
Maki's got such a great personality. Seriously, what a great episode. That went so fast as well. Like, this is an hour and a half episode, and that flew by for me because I just had so much fun watching both of these groups interact, not both, all of these groups interact with each other. And it's funny, like, last night or yesterday, if you guys saw on Twitter, that whole situation where Pablo commented on an 18's post pretty much saying, well, if you guys saw it, you know what it is. I'm not going to go and find it, but pretty much being like, hey, it's like Christmas time, let's not throw shade, kind of a thing. The person who wrote a tweet, I truly believe didn't mean any harm by it. However, there was an undertone of dissing other groups because they were talking about how they're so glad that they never have to defend SB19's live performances because they're so good. They're like, what a privilege it is to never have to defend them. I honestly think they did mean well by that, but there is an undertone of like taking a dig at other groups. So I understand why Pablo commented on that. And I think it's honestly probably a good thing that he commented on something that could be seen as not that big of a deal. because there is a spectrum, and we see the real intense spectrum of like fan wars. But then when you have so many other comments and tweets that can kind of fall under the rug of being like, some people may not even see an issue with it, and then some people may take a little grab of it, those can make a big difference. Like, it's so important that when we're commenting about the groups that we love, that we leave it at that. We comment about the groups that we love. You don't have to compare or pull someone down to show how good your artist is. Like, you see it all the time. Someone will praise the groups that they love, and then there's always an undertone or a very obvious diss at someone else to highlight how good their group is. You saw it a lot at the Akon performances where where SB19 was quite obviously singing live without a backing track or very minimal, and people were comparing about how other groups used backing tracks and blah, blah, blah. And I feel you, I don't like backing tracks. But if you're going to talk about your group, talk about how amazing they are, you need to just think before you post something, is there an undertone of dissing someone else? Because if there is, just take that part out of it. You can say everything you want to say and get across your point so perfectly without having to pull down or tear down anyone else. At the end of the day, every single artist is doing their best to become the best versions of themselves. They are sacrificing their entire lives to become an artist, regardless of whether they're your artist or not, regardless of whether they are singing live, regardless of whether they use a backing track, regardless of any of the criteria that may not sit with you. The amount of sacrifice that they are making is huge. And like, you've got to respect that. And even if you don't respect that, you don't need to comment on it. Like, I think filling your brain with so much negativity is not actually like doing anything but yourself more harm. You know, like, you might think, yes, like, what a good dig I had at the other artist, but really it's just created negative energy within you, and you become the bad person for it. And that's, no one wants that. Like, just be kind. It is so easy to be kind, you know? And what I respect so much about SB19 is the fact that they are going above and beyond to create and show the fandoms that we like each other, we get along, and we support each other, and our goal is bigger than our group. And I think that's something that the fans can really, really, really learn by, because I understand it's hard. It's really hard when someone says something negative about the group that you love, and I have caught myself in the past defending and fighting for groups that I love, and then I realized it doesn't do anything. If you want to defend the group and say something lovely about your group, that's fine, but when you come back with an attack, you just become just as bad as they are. So support all of the groups. You don't have to follow them, you don't have to listen to their music, but you don't have to talk negatively about them. You can just love your group and support your group and leave it at that, you know? And I think especially if you're Filipino, supporting or just respecting all of these Filipino pop groups, OPM artists, P-pop artists, is only going to be beneficial to the future of the Philippines. The economy, like everything. It's going to bring so many amazing opportunities. And obviously SB19 has that vision for the music industry and the country and the culture in general. And I think it's just so beautiful that regardless of what the fans are doing, these guys are saying, no, that's not for us. I don't subscribe to those beliefs. Like, we all get along. So anyway, that was amazing. I absolutely loved this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this with me. And yeah, I love you guys so much. Go and watch my Auckland vlog. I know you'll enjoy it. And Merry Christmas. And yeah, I really appreciate all of your support. And I hope everyone has the most amazing New Year. Love you guys. Bye.